forgings look their best when they look effortless, but under the power hammer your forgings are often simply a reflection of your dies. If the required proportions are small, then you have to make every hammer blow count. Your forging must be tight and well thought. Today we will show a basic tight forging in the form of a fireplace tool handle. First we cut in tracks with the aggressive texturing dies. These tracks will form the first necks in the fireplace tool. By doing this cold, you have the chance to be very accurate, and you can even make small corrections if you need to. Now we can fall into those tracks and cut the fuller to nearly its final dimension. Taking care to keep the pace of forging even, you must ease up as you get towards the center, or else the fuller will cut too quickly. Next, we come in with the combination dies and draw down to the neck on each side of the handle, taking care not to hit the metal that is left behind on the other side of the neck. Even though you should always draw downhill, it is more important to be careful not to remove any material from the center of the forging that you don't have to. Last, just a bit of light texture on the full-size stock helps to hide any blemishes and also makes the shoulders made by the full-ring dies crisp, steep, and dynamic. Now that the hard part is down, we simply need to draw a length from the end to form a ring to hang the tool. When you have the power to draw material fast, it is hard to back off that power and see how close and tightly you can stack elements to each other to get a clean forging. Thanks, and subscribe to keep up with what is new with Blue.